Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're beginning by accessing the account that controls your chat name. First, sign into the Google account linked to chat. Once signed in, go to Chat. Google.com or open the chat section in Gmail. Then click your profile photo at the top right and choose Manage your Google account. This step is essential because Google Chat pulls the display name from your core account profile, so changing it here is the first actionable move toward updating how others see you. Once in your account, select Personal Info from the left menu. This is where your basic profile fields live. Scroll to Name and click the pencil icon to edit. Enter the first and last name you want displayed in chat. Make sure to follow any character or policy limits and confirm by hitting Save. Changing this field updates across many Google services, so take a moment to verify spelling and capitalization before saving, because it propagates and might complete the process by refreshing chat or signing out and back and so the new name syncs. If you're on a work or school account, make sure your administrator allows name edits. Otherwise, you'll need to request the change through them. If the new name doesn't show immediately, wait a few minutes and clear your browser cache or try another device. If issues persist, check account notifications for policy blocks, because administrative restrictions are the most common obstacle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.